Hey guys, so I thought for today I would do a summer day in my life video. I was planning on doing a macrame video, but that's taking a really long time because I needed help from my dad with cutting the wood and everything, and the macrame process just takes a long time, so I thought I would just do a little vlog instead. So I hope you guys like watching vlogs because I don't know what else to post in the meantime. So yeah, I thought I would just do like a chill day in my life. But right now we are going to go to the beach this morning, so I will probably film when I get there. This is all the sea glass we found so far. I found some really pretty blue ones. So I just got back from the beach and the water was like so clear and blue. I don't know if you could tell. I got a couple clips on my phone, and yeah, I just changed and took my nail polish off because that was just annoying me. But I'm in the middle of filming another video right now. I thought I would be able to post that this week by Wednesday, but it's taking longer than I thought it would. So that's what I've been working on. And let me tell you, it's taking a really long time. This is kind of the behind the scenes. I'm using my camera right now, but yeah, I have some lighting because it's kind of dark in this corner, but I wanted like just a plain background so you could see the details. I haven't gotten too far, but that's because I was working on measuring and dividing all the sections. Oh wow, my camera battery is already flashing. It's because I've been using this camera like all afternoon. It is now 3 o'clock. But anyways, I'm actually gonna take a break from filming right now, and I wanted to make like a healthy little snack slash dessert. I've made this before, and I think I actually did like a recipe on how to make these before in like another video, but they're actually called like chocolate date balls, I think. I don't really know, they're like energy balls. I think it's like 2/3 dark chocolate, 2/3 almonds, and then 8 ounces of dates. And then you just put it in like a food processor and blend it and then roll them into balls. I'll show you how they turned out afterwards. And I'm gonna charge my camera right now. So these are how the date balls turned out. They're really good. I just had one. And I added some coconut to the top of it. Hey guys, it's a little bit later. I actually just took a shower. This day has been really weird. I've been kind of just filming like random clips this whole day, but I guess that's because it's a chill day in my life, so sorry if this vlog is like really random. I was actually just reading this book. It's called Heart Bones by Colin Hoover, and a couple weeks ago I just finished another book by her. It was called It Ends With Us. I don't know if you heard of it, but it's been really popular on like TikTok and YouTube. I've seen like a lot of people talking about it, and I'm not really much of a reader, but I do like to read in the summertime, so yeah, I don't know. I decided to like check some of her books out. So the first book that I read from her, It Ends With Us, that one I really liked, but the only thing that I didn't really like about it was, and I know it's like a young adult book, but like, and I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I am a Christian, so like certain things kind of bothered me. Like there were some swear words in it, and there was a couple scenes in there. Like, I mean, it was a romance book, so yeah, if you know what I mean. But yeah, that's probably the only thing that kind of bothered me, was like the swear words and a couple of the scenes, but at the same time you gotta like overlook those things, just like as if you were watching like a movie or a TV show. And plus I'm an adult now, so I just try to overlook things like that, because there was a real story behind it, which I really liked. So yeah, I would recommend that book because it kind of focused on like a girl. Her dad was actually kind of like abused her mom, but then she ended up falling in love with this guy in high school, and then I don't know if I'm giving away too much if you want to like read it yourself, but she ended up like going separate ways from the guy that she met in high school, and then she ended up falling in love with some other guy later on in her life, but then like she re-met with the other guy, and it's kind of like, I don't know, it's a really good book, so you'll have to read it. Sorry, it's kind of loud out here, but this is what I like to do in my typical summer day. Whenever I get bored, like in the afternoons, I like to sit out here and read on the glider. But this book that I'm reading right now, I would really recommend this book. Actually, I'm halfway through it, so I'll have to let you know how it is when I finish it. Anyways, so this book is about, it's kind of like a summer book, that's why I wanted to read this. It's like a summer romance. This girl, she had like a bad life growing up. She was pretty poor, and her mom was like into drugs. And I don't want to give away too much if you're gonna read this, but anyway, she recently got in contact from her dad that kind of just left her when she was younger, and then she's staying with her dad and his wife at their beach house, and his new wife actually has a daughter, and they're like really rich, so she ends up becoming friends with her and her friends, and then she ends up falling in love with this guy. And yeah, that's all I'm gonna say, but so far it's really good, so I would recommend this if you're looking for like a summer book to read. But yeah, actually my mom is making some fajitas for dinner right now, and then later we're actually gonna do the fire pit, so I will vlog then.
talk to you.
What do you mean?
Well, you spent a fair amount of time trying to talk to me. Sophia, Cali, Arizona. Try to warn them.
So I'm actually getting ready for bed right now, but I thought I would just end the vlog. I'm just gonna be watching some Netflix. So yeah. But I hope you enjoyed this little vlog, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.